welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and joining me for this weekend. I did go ahead and film this past weekend. Today is Monday as I'm filming this, but I wanted to go ahead and film a little intro. This weekend we just went ahead and spent it working on our house. I think after we gave the living room and the kitchen a makeover, we definitely felt like the rest of our house needed it. So that's what we did this weekend, and we focused primarily in our hallway and our guest bathroom. But next up is going to be our master bedroom and our master bathroom, because I know you guys don't see much of it, but it was under construction. It still kind of is, but it's basically finished. But I wanted to show you guys what we did get finished this weekend because I absolutely love it. I love how it came out, and I want to show you guys because that is what I want to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and just insert some clips from this weekend, how it looked, what we did, and I'm gonna show you the end result at the end. So again, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. It definitely really helps me and I would really appreciate it. But let's go ahead and get into this weekend vlog. Today is day 30th or something of my quarantine, and we decided to finish the hallway. So we still have to paint the corners up there. We got lazy, you guys, after we finished the living room. We just haven't done it. So that is what we're gonna do. And then we are also replacing the light fixtures with these ones right here that I got from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them down below. But they were two for like $21 or something like that, which was really, really affordable. I do want to get some what are those new focus called, babe?
You mean the Edison one?
Yes, I want to get some Edison bowls for these, but what we have will do for now. And then there is one light there. There's one in the laundry room, which we'll do when we remodel the laundry room.
We're gonna paint the ceiling too.
We're gonna paint the ceiling, and then we're going to replace that one and that one at the end of the hallway. We had these really old school, I think they're boob lights is what I call them. So we're replacing these. And then on this wall right here, so this is our garage, and you see, they do look like boobs. Oh my god. Anyways, so that's our garage, and then that's the bathroom. That's my room, and Jonathan's room is towards the back. And this closet right here, we've never shown it to you guys, but it's supposed to be
What?
It's supposed to be a coat closet, but we never even use it for coats. So right now we have our stockpile of food in there. So we thought we might make this into a pantry. And then this wall right here, I'm gonna make into a command stop. So I'm gonna put a calendar up and so on and so forth. I'll show you once we are done. We have to remove that and clean it out because it looks really gross. But that is this weekend's project. Okay, so for this DIY, the first thing that we did is we grabbed this piece of wood that we had lying around in our garage, and we just cut it to size. So I knew I wanted a long, thin beam. And then afterwards, we went ahead and sanded it because, like I said, it was just a random piece of wood we had. So it definitely needed to be sanded to be smooth. And then we stained it and sealed it with this poly seal. So it's a stain and polyurethane in one. It just made it so much easier and faster. And I believe I used the dark oak color. And then afterwards, once that was dry, we just went ahead and screwed in the hooks. I bought these hooks on Amazon for $12, maybe even less. But this same little coat rack was $35 on Amazon. So I definitely saved myself some money there. And then we just went ahead and we hung it up on the wall. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the way it turned out, everybody. I really, really love it. I think it looks so cute. It's definitely not 100% finished, but it is an improvement. The first thing you guys will notice is we finished painting the hallway. It was already painted, but we had not finished cutting it. So that is what we did. It is the same exact color that the living room is. It just looks a little bit more yellow because of the lighting. But if I go ahead and I turn it off, you guys can see that it's that same exact white. But anyways, one of the first things we did here is we added new light fixtures. I got these off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them down below, but it's a 2-pack for $21. So I got 4 of them. So I have one right there. There's another one right there and another one at the end of the hallway, and I really like them. I think it adds to that modern farmhouse feel I wanted in here. So I love them, and they were really inexpensive. I just added some nice light bulbs in there, and that is how those came out. Another thing is we did paint the ceiling, like I think I mentioned before, but if I didn't, we did end up painting the ceiling a bright white ceiling color, which we will have to do to our living room. I didn't want to have to do it, but we're gonna have to do it because this white is a little bit more of an off-white, and this white just looks better. So let me show you guys with the light off. But yeah, it's just a brighter white and it looks much better. We also painted absolutely all of the doors and all of the trim from the hallway into the bathroom. So the one thing that we do still have to do is we have to change that vent because it's just very dirty and gross, and it looks like the dust is like stuck to the paint. So I tried cleaning it, it was just a fail, so we're gonna get a new one. And then this coat hanger was the DIY we made. I really love how it came out. The only thing I'm missing here is I do want to do like a shoe bench right here, so we can actually make this a little landing when we get home. This is our garage door, so this is the first place we come. We never come through our regular door, so a bench would be nice right there. And then right here, I do plan on making this a calendar where we can mark like our important things that we have going on. Usually Jonathan needs to mark when he has to like take certain invoices, go to certain jobs, give certain estimates. So I think this is gonna be a good place to have those reminders. And then these are actually gonna serve a purpose because Jonathan has to save all of his receipts, and they always end up all crumbled in his pants. So I told him this is where he's just gonna stash them. I'll go ahead and get them from there at the end of the week and file them, but that is how this little corner turned out. Okay, so moving back just a few steps over here, this is our laundry room. This is definitely not done. We are planning on giving it a whole like little makeover, but we did go ahead and paint it and clean it. I tried to organize it as much as I could. Also, this light had not worked the 3 years that we've been living here, but we finally changed out the fixture and now it is working. And I think I mean, it's really nice to have a clean little laundry closet. So that is what we did here. This remodel is not gonna happen for a while because we have a lot to do right now with other remodels we want to do around the house. So this is gonna stay this way, but one of the things that I do want to do is I just want to get some black pulls for these doors just to add something extra. But that is the laundry room. Now moving on through the hallway, like I said, we painted all of the doors this like bright white high gloss paint, and it just looks so good, as well as the trim. And then we did decide to carry the paint through this bathroom, even though I said we weren't going to, but this is how it looks, all nice and bright. And I also painted this closet, which took me like 4 hours to paint, but this closet is also painted all the way up, and I just organized it because it was a mess. So all I did is I bought these baskets from Dollar Tree. I had them, you know, you just kind of store them away, don't use them, bring them back out. So I decided to bring them back out. And this one has all of like Jonathan's self-care stuff, so shaving cream, soaps, you know, his stuff. This has like all my feminine hygiene stuff, so pads, tampons, so on. And then this one has like my girl stuff, so I have deodorant, I have different shampoos, I have face mask, just a bunch of things that are specific to me. I have a scale, Jonathan's trimming kit, toilet paper, and then these are just extras. So this is where I'll put any extra shampoo, hair conditioner, or anything extra that we have, like toothpaste, for example. But that is everything for this little closet, but I'm very happy about how it looks. It's finally finished. It wasn't finished before, so it looks so much nicer. Everything stayed the same. I am planning on just getting some new towels, like for decoration, and this will definitely just be a guest bathroom from now on, since we will have our master bathroom ready. But the other thing we did is Jonathan did stain these again. He also stained the toe kick, if you guys are new to my channel, that wasn't stained before, as well as the side of it. So this side he stained as well, so now it is completely done. And again, I'm just enjoying that light color, you guys, all throughout my house. So yeah, that is everything that we did for this little weekend update. We definitely do have, ooh, my lighting just went off. We definitely do have a few more projects in store. Like I said, I do still want to get a bench for right there, just so we can sit down, take off our shoes, and come into the house without shoes. But yeah, that's basically everything we did. Like I said, we do have a few more projects underway. The next thing we will be doing is the master bedroom. We're just gonna go ahead and paint it. I did get a few new stuff, so there is gonna be a haul. I finally got my Target online order, so I will be hauling everything I got for that bedroom, as well as the DIY I will be doing for it. We'll be finishing the master bathroom in there. I don't know if I've shown you guys, but you guys will see it in that video. And then we do want to finish the laundry room. We want to make a pantry out of that coat closet at the entry, so like where you come in from the garage. And then after that, I want to paint Jonathan's like office room, and then I want to paint my office and just give my little office a little makeover. But that is everything we got done this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you're excited for some exciting content, some more little makeovers, decorating videos, and so on. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe if you can, and if you would like to, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Like I've said, it really helps my channel a lot, so I definitely appreciate it when you guys do. And that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video.